Welcome to my channel Nutrition Station, your path to vibrant health and wellness. This video is about 9 best nuts for diabetes. Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome to our video on the top nuts for diabetes management. If you're living with diabetes, you know how important it is to make healthy food choices. And nuts are a great snack option. But did you know that some nuts are better than others when it comes to managing blood sugar levels? In this video, we'll count down the top 9 nuts that can help you regulate your blood sugar levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and even reduce inflammation. From almonds to pine nuts, we'll explore the science behind why these nuts are so beneficial for diabetes management. So grab a handful of your favorite nuts and let's dive in. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Here are 9 nuts that are beneficial for diabetes management. 1. Almonds. Rich in magnesium, almonds can help regulate blood sugar levels. 2. Walnuts. High in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, walnuts can improve insulin sensitivity. 3. Pecans. Packed with antioxidants and magnesium, pecans can help lower blood sugar levels. 4. Brazil nuts. Rich in selenium, Brazil nuts can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. 5. Cashews. High in magnesium and copper, cashews can help regulate blood sugar levels. 6. Hazelnuts. Rich in vitamin E and magnesium, hazelnuts can improve insulin sensitivity. 7. Pistachios. High in antioxidants and magnesium, pistachios can help lower blood sugar levels. 8. Macadamia nuts. Rich in healthy fats and magnesium, macadamia nuts can improve insulin sensitivity. 9. Pine nuts. High in antioxidants and magnesium, pine nuts can help regulate blood sugar levels. Remember to consume nuts in moderation, as they are high in calories. A handful, about 1 ounce, per day is a good amount to aim for. Also, choose unsalted and unsweetened options to get the most health benefits. That's it for today's video on the 9 best nuts for diabetes. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. Remember, managing diabetes requires a comprehensive approach that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management. Nuts can be a great addition to your diabetes management plan, but always consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes. Thanks to our healthcare experts and nutritionists for their valuable insights. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.